Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Adams Oshiomhole don't explain to us. So he don't open up. He say many things they happen. He can't open up. He say ex-lawmakers say they steal as far to carpet, TV, chairs, National Assembly property. Oshiomhole na reveal am. He say not be small thing they do for the National Assembly. Example, if you say they be lawmakers, he say they greedy upon all the money that they receive. Okay, upon all the money that they receive, they steal as far to carpets, chairs, and this is the greed that has kept on, kept our country where it is today. The greed, the level of greed is what has kept our country where it permanently is today. And until things begin to change, we may not be able to, to really come out of this. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked because if lawmakers, people who have been paid how much, look at the large amount of money they keep paying them, but yet they are not satisfied. They are living and they are stealing money that belongs to the country. They are living and they are taking what does not belong to them. How do you sort that out? How do you ensure that, we do not allow such things to continue? You see, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Ex-lawmakers stole carpet TV chairs from National Assembly. Adams Oshiomhole alleges. Former Edo State Governor and Senator representing Edo North Adams Oshiomhole has expressed disappointment over the alleged stealing and vandalization of properties of ex-lawmakers who served at the National Assembly. Oshiomhole disclosed that in spite of the presence of security agencies, men and women, television sets, carpets, chairs were looted by immediate past senators and House of Representative members. This is terrible. According to him, the former lawmaker left their office in shambles with holes on the wall, saying he had to pay to fix this office before using it. The former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC stressed that the vandalization also took place in the office vacated by the post principal officer of the National Assembly, whose name he refused to mention. Let me tell you one thing. The National Assembly is not talking about what I did or what I did not do. Why those in duty are speaking and doing and making laws for the country. Some other persons have their eyes on the property. Imagine TV, chairs. I was shocked by the level of vandalization of property of the National Assembly. Televisions were carted away. Carpets were carted away. Senators. Chairs were carried away. I had to use my money and some also decided to deliver me a painter to use to paint some of the areas. I had to buy carpets and pay the cost of fixing it. I had to pay some young people to clean the office to restore the new carpet. I had to pay to repaint my office. I will produce you the receipt. I can't understand why and how senators that sit on Sunday before God or Friday before God, who were inaugurated, are following this kind of business. It is terrible. It is terrible. The level of vandalization that took place. We have hundreds of security men and women in the National Assembly. I can never understand what happened. You find holes in the wall, even in the office of the principal officers of the Senate, who I won't want to mention his name. They all took things away, So this is what is happening. This is what is happening now, and my people, you can see for yourself. Nigerians, it is time for us to, what Adams Oshiomhole is saying is not limited to him alone. It's not limited to him alone. I can assure you, it's not limited to him alone. Some other persons do worse. The way they go about things, the way they carry out their activities, fear of God will catch you. And these are supposed to be leaders. Okay? And these are supposed to be leaders. Okay? So every single person needs to understand, that these things are happening. Every single person, when you look at it, you are wondering and you're asking yourself, how did we get here? What can we do differently? How are we supposed to, channel this nation in the right course to ensure that we do not allow the same thing, okay, to continue. There are so many things that are going on right now, and every one of us needs to understand, the position of things so that together we can make a difference. We can't sit down there and think that all of a sudden things will just fall in place. This is Adams Oshiomhole telling us, how things have been and what we must do in order to turn and to ensure that we do not allow the same thing. Okay? So it is something that we should do. And, everybody needs to, begin to rise up and ensure that none of us are left in the same position or in the same place in order for change to come. Yes? Can you imagine lawmakers with all that they have, with all the money that comes to them? Some of them bought 100 million naira form of APC. However, it was not enough. So if you have 100 million naira, how come you still go ahead to do what you do? How come you still steal chairs and carpets and everything? How come? With everything that has happened, how come? So these are some of the things that are going on. Why none of us should allow the same people to lead us as a nation, and as a country, so that together we can, we can make a difference, and Nigeria can become a better place. Okay, so Nigeria can become a better place. So this is exactly what's going on, and why together, every single person, all hands on deck. No one of us should keep quiet and allow this same thing to continue. Okay? Nobody should allow the same thing to continue. No, never. It is important, that everybody work at it and bring this nation to where it ought to be, so that together we can save the course of what is going on now. So my lovely people, it is what it is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. And from us, it's bye for now. Bye.